To the head teacher, management and staff of Nabekavu Primary School, government representatives present, distinguished and invited guests, students, teachers, parents, ladies and gentlemen, and our media partners. Bulasia, and a very good evening to you all. It is indeed an honor and a pleasure to be with you all this evening at a very special occasion, your Golden Jubilee celebration. This is a wonderful occasion to celebrate the outstanding achievements of the school and a wonderful time to reflect on the sacrifices of all those who have made this possible. Ladies and gentlemen, after half a century, Nabekavu still remains committed to the education of all around and unique individuals who have the zeal to strive for excellence. Because of that same commitment, access to education was made possible by the school management of Waingele Bhartiya School. I believe that before Nabekavu Primary was built, the students had to walk to almost 20 kilometers to attend school. Nabekavu Primary School has much to be proud of, from 77 students to 260 students, from having no electricity and water supply to a fully functional building with all amenities. This is the commitment the school management has for the people of Nabekavu and the surrounding areas. Commitment and perseverance as such owes much to the able leadership of the school management and the hard-working teachers of the school. Together, they have developed effective educational strategies for the benefit of their students. I must compliment the school management, teachers, and parents for working with limited resources and achieving such great results. You have come a long way. As parents, teachers, and leaders, it is our divine duty to ensure that our children have access to education, that our children have all that they need to make informed decisions, and have the opportunity to grow up into positive and well-balanced adults. These are the future leaders of our country, future leaders in their own right, and we owe it to them and to our future generation to give all that we can for the future of our country. Remember, to educate a child is to turn walls into doors. Ladies and gentlemen, a golden anniversary, 50 years, is a long time in any life and definitely seems much longer in the life of an educator or for anyone in the public service profession. However, it can be very fulfilling or rewarding when one is committed and determined to the cause. This is a landmark in the history of education in Nabekavu, and I'm sure that with your rich experience in education, you can achieve anything, build on its strength, and you will be able to rise to the many challenges ahead. With these few words, on behalf of the Ministry for Health and Medical Services and the government of Fiji on this memorable occasion, may I congratulate the school again on its remarkable achievements and wish her continued success in the future. Vinaka, and thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a big hand for the official opening of 2017 Golden Jubilee celebration of Nabekavu Primary School.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि.
For the marvelous job done so far. I know he's been working tirelessly for the success of this program, and I know it is worth it.
Activities as well. So that's the day program. So requesting one and all to please come up in numbers. Thank you so much, Mrs. Lenita. The appreciation day program, whereby we'll be honoring the pioneers.